Your earnings consist of payments for rides and bonuses. Yango has different types of bonuses that drivers can get. Different bonuses may be activated at different times. You can check them in your Yango Pro driver profile. We always advise that you do that at the beginning of every working day for better understanding of how much you would earn. So what bonuses can you get driving on Yango? First of all, we have the goal-based bonuses. Meet your ride goal during the specified period for one or several days, and an additional bonus will be added to your balance. Another one or another bonus is the minimum fare guarantee bonus. In this case, every ride has a minimum guaranteed price. If a ride's actual price in the app is lower than that, the difference will be added to your balance. There is also the geo bonus, popularly known as the blue zone. The Yango Pro map sometimes shows light blue areas. This is where that kind of bonus is active. Accepting an order inside this area would activate the bonus for you. If the ride price is less than the bonus, the difference will be added to your balance. Now, sometimes you will see some purple marked areas on the app. This means that there's high demand in those areas, and this is popularly known as surge. Now, the surge pricing may differ from place to place. The deeper the area, the higher the surge. Bonuses are added to your balance the next day or the day after. You can check the balance in your Yango Pro driver's profile anytime. You can withdraw money from the balance with the help of your taxi partner. Taxi partner's contact information is contained in your Yango Pro driver's profile on a corresponding tab. Sometimes Yango gives passengers promo codes for ride discounts, but the total price of the ride isn't less for you. The compensation will be added to your Yango Pro balance within 3 business days. In other words, discount rides are not free. The balance in Yango Pro is used not only for bonus calculation, but also for the commission fee. So we advise you to keep the balance at the required level or leave a sufficient amount of calculated bonuses on it. As in the situation of money withdrawal, you can recharge the balance with the help of your taxi partner.